Every good movie has a main character, the person who takes action, the one who people follow. You can be that person in your real life, not in a movie, but in your own story. Becoming the main character doesn't mean you act like a hero in front of people for attention. It means you take control of your life. You don't sit and wait for things to happen. You make things happen. This guide will show you how to become the main character in 7 days, step by step, with real stories and examples from people in history who lived like main characters and changed their lives. Day 1. Know who you are and what you want. Before you become the main character, you must know your story. Every strong character has a purpose. What to do today? Ask yourself, what kind of life do I want? Write down the kind of person you want to be. Write down what you love, what makes you happy, and what scares you. Real story. Muhammad Ali, boxer. Before he became famous, he was just a young boy named Cassius Clay. He knew he didn't want to live a boring life. He told people, "I'm going to be the greatest boxer in the world." People laughed, but he believed in his story. He became the main character by deciding who he wanted to be. Day 2, fix your body, fix your power. Main characters don't walk with their heads down. They take care of their body, health, and looks. Why? Because when your body feels strong, your mind feels strong too. What to do today? Do light exercise, push-ups, walk, stretch. Take a shower and dress well, even if no one is watching. Clean your room or workspace. Drink more water and sleep on time. Real story. David Goggins. He was overweight, lazy, and depressed. One day he looked in the mirror and said, "This is not who I want to be." He started running. Day by day, he built one of the strongest bodies and minds in the world. Now he's a Navy SEAL and a top athlete. Why? Because he started by fixing his body. Day 3, master your mind. The main character is not scared of thoughts or people. They lead their own mind, not the other way around. What to do today? Turn off negative thoughts. Say out loud, "I can handle anything." Meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. Just sit in silence and breathe. Don't use your phone for the first hour after you wake up. Write down 3 things you're proud of. Real story. Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in jail, but never let his mind break. He told himself, "I will be free. I will lead my people." After jail, he became the president of South Africa. He controlled his mind, not the prison, not fear. Day 4. Speak with purpose and power. Main characters don't talk too much, but when they speak, people listen. Why? Because they speak with purpose. They speak clearly, not just to sound smart. What to do today? Practice speaking slowly and clearly in front of a mirror. Look people in the eye when you talk. Say what you mean. Don't lie, don't fake. Try to start one good conversation today. Real story. Martin Luther King Jr. He gave speeches that moved millions of people. Why? Because he believed every word. His "I have a dream" speech wasn't full of big words. It was full of truth. Speak with truth and people will follow. Day 5. Build a daily habit that makes you stronger. Main characters always have one habit that keeps them sharp. It could be writing, reading, working out, or learning. One strong habit builds character. What to do today? Choose one habit to build. Start small. 10 minutes is enough. E.g., journaling, exercise, reading, skill learning. Do it every day. No excuses. Track your progress in a notebook or app. Real story. Benjamin Franklin. He wasn't born rich or smart, but every day he tracked his habits. He woke up early, worked hard, read books, and wrote down his mistakes. He became a scientist, inventor, and one of the founding fathers of the USA, all through simple daily habits. Day 6. Remove noise and distractions. A strong character stays focused. They don't waste time watching random videos or scrolling for hours. They remove distractions and keep their energy for things that matter. What to do today? Turn off notifications. Delete or limit use of apps that waste your time. Spend 1 hour doing something real, not screen-based. Say no to anything that doesn't help your goals. Real story. Steve Jobs. He said no to many things so he could focus on what matters. That's how Apple created great products. He didn't try to do everything. He focused deeply and built history. Day 7. Step into the spotlight. Today you act like the main character, not just in your mind, but in the real world. You walk with purpose, speak with power, and do something bold. What to do today? Walk with your head high, fix your posture, talk to someone new, or post something meaningful online. Take one small risk. Speak your truth. Try something new. Reflect on the last 6 days. Write down what changed. Real story. Malala Yousafzai. She was just a schoolgirl, but she spoke up when her school was attacked. She didn't stay silent. She acted. She became a global voice for education. She didn't wait to be ready. She became the main character when she chose to act. What it really means to be the main character. It doesn't mean you're better than others. It means you take full control of your life. You stop living for others' approval. You start choosing your own story. Signs you've become the main character. You wake up with purpose. You stop waiting. You start doing. You don't copy. You create. You speak with truth. You keep promises to yourself. You grow even when no one claps for you. Being the main character is not magic. It's a decision. You do not need special talent, money, or looks. You need discipline. You need self-respect. You need to act now, not someday. This 7-day plan is simple, but powerful. If you follow it honestly, you'll see results in your confidence, focus, and energy. And once that shift happens, your story changes forever.